What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we'll be taking a look at Revell's 1957 Chevy Black Widow 2-in-1. So let's go around the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take it over detail later on. Alright, so first one we're going to look at is the decals, and you need a pretty decent sized decal sheet, multiple numbers, and just emblems and all that awesome stuff. Very neat, and you do get interior decals, which looks a little weird, but I guess it will look pretty cool in some color combos. Alright, spare parts look fantastic, no haziness. Just fantastic. Nice outline where you can glue them to the body. Should be a breeze to do so. Headlights. And you do get small tail lights, already tinted for you. Alright, so you get 4 tires in this kit, and these tires are no name brand tires, but they are on a tree, so they do recommend a little cleanup, but nothing too major. But the tread pattern is actually pretty decent, and there's weight walls. If you want, you know, name brand tires, you know, there's aftermarket out there for you for decals, or just go with different tires in general. But these don't look too bad. All right, the first chrome tree contains most of your body parts. You get your grill, headlight buckets, and windshield wipers, and all that good stuff. The grill is actually begging for a black wash, but that's actually a pretty cool grill. And the rest of the parts just look fantastic. Back bumper assembly. Alright. Second chrome tree contains some of your engine parts and some wheels and all that good stuff. Like I said, nice detail. Very nice detail. Alright, so the first bag of white mold parts. This tree has most of your chassis parts, or all your chassis parts, I should say. And like I said, like I'm mentioning all the time, nice mold parts. Hardly any flash on any of these parts, so this looks fantastic. Alright, this tree has the rest of your engine, rest of your chassis parts, and part of your engine tree in here too. And this one is your main chassis. Looks fantastic. There's some lettering on there, but that doesn't matter because there's a gas tank that goes over that, so that shouldn't matter. but the part that might matter is that GM right there, so you might want to go ahead and that right out. But other than that, chassis looks fantastic. Nice detail. Alright, the last more part in this bag is what is your engine tree and the rest of your chassis parts. Looks fantastic. Suspension. Oh, that good stuff. Alright, second bag of parts. So this is a 2-in-1. You do the stock or the race version. So you do get 2 different exhausts and 2 different engines. So whichever version you want to do so. And then here's your other engine. I'm assuming this is your racing engine. So you do get 2 complete engines in this kit, which is very cool actually. And then you get your hood, and then you got another firewall, and radiator, and battery. Alright, last bag. Most of your interior parts, you get your part roll cage and then your main interior tub. Fully stripped because it is a race car. And this tree has the rest of your interior parts: steering wheel, door panels, seats, dashboard. It just looks fantastic. There's some texture on there for those decals to blend out. Comes in decal sheet. Dashboard. And then you get our door panel right here. And steering column. Alright, the last thing in the kit is going to be your main body. And you all seen this body before in multiple kits. But this looks fantastic. Mold, clean, very clean. Panel lines definitely could use some deepening and some widening, but other than that, looks fantastic. Typical mold lines, nothing too major on each fender and back fender. But other than that, looks fantastic. And then, forgot about this part, you do get your actual roll cage. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I do recommend this kit. This kit has actually been released multiple times in different versions. There's multiple versions of this kit. It is a detailed dream kit for detailers. I mean, people really can detail a heck out of this kit because there's a lot in this kit you can really do too. So the engine has 2 engine options, 2 exhaust, and overall just bunch of mods to it. So you can do it just a bunch of numbers, so you can make it any number you want. And then I believe you can make this as a stock version because it does have stock exhaust. But other than that, like I said, overall an awesome kit. Pick one up. I'll provide a link down in the description where you can get yours. But other than that, until this Unbox Monday, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.